Jamb 2012 economics past question number 27. It says the net national product is derived by deducting option A says net exports from GNP. GNP is gross national products. B says subsidies from GDP. GDP is gross domestic products. C said taxes from GDP, and D says depreciation from GNP. Now, the net national product NNP is derived from GNP minus depreciation. Is the gross national product less the estimated amount of depreciation or capital consumed during the year. So option D is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.